My first ever video. You don't know why I'm flying? You don't know why I'm flying? But I'm still at survival. Ate, labas ka! Ako na lang. Dad, bastion!
Huh?
Bastion!
Yung bastion.
Bastion! May bastion! For real! Tingnan, bastion! Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na ako.
Saan ka ba?
Ayun! Ay, Dad! Ay, Dad, punta ka lang sa akin.
Ay, you go to
You
us.
fly, you can fly.
There, oh.
Flying! We use the slash ability command.
Ano
Why is
bastion?
there
Nasaan
hungry?
bastion? Yung pula?
Ito, tiga! Ito,
Ayan. Uy, what's this
I'm
one?
just gonna use this building blocks.
I'm here.
Gold! I found gold. I found gold. I struck gold. Here!
Hindi, gold blocks to ah.
Yeah! Kill mo lang tong haglin.
Wala naman. Ano ginagamit mo?
Haglins!
Ano gagamitin mo pangkuha? Nakuha ko ba?
Iron. Mas maganda.
Raw gold. Lalabas yung raw gold.
Hindi. Gold blocks.
Okay, gold blocks.
Wait lang. Ah! Ganito lang po.
Yeah.
You mind? Ako na kukuha sa chest para makakuha tayo.
Okay.
You want to go here? Oh! Chest!
Paano teleport si Brighty? Okay.
A lodestone!
Ako pala lumipat. Mali. Si Daddy mali. Wait lang, love.
Hi! That's up there. That's up there.
Hindi pwede mag-TP.
Bakit?
Ano yun, kuya? Ano yun?
Haglin. No, what? Piglin.
So, bawal mong kawaawayin yun?
Pwede na. Ano may lalabas ko? Sa dami kong things. Tanglin ko to.
Just like superheroes. Uy, what happened?
Don't do this. Buti ka ba diamond? Oh na! Oh na! Dati ko ito.
Ano ginagawa mo?
I'm fighting a guy. How did these spawn, bro? Oh na!
Ano, kinukuha mo siya?
Ah. Killed him! Did he drop? No. Was that 2 bastions?
Ay, may mansion, no? Yung hinahanap natin, di ba?
No, not 2 bastions.
You go inside.
Oh na! Yeah!
How am I dead? How am I dead?
Can't get me back.
May so dead din ako.
Eh? Oh yeah! I have...
Flying ability?
Ah,
Why?
gonna die! Can you teleport?
I'm trying to teleport kay kuya. Wait lang.
Gotta get the diamond sword now.
Yes. I'm here.
Ah! I was gonna die, bruh!
You're
You
fast.
can get me. What? I have
Wow.
Daddy!
Hi, love. You need
Oh.
some armor. I'll make an armor for you, love.
Wait.
I'll give you an armor, okay?
Okay.
Okay, I'll get some armor.
Ah!
I'll make you an armor, okay, love?
I'm dying! I
No,
cannot
no, that's
put
not an
water!
Ayusin mo nga yung ano dun.
Half a health!
Ayusin mo nga yung farm natin.
Ikaw na. Oh yeah, pickling fruit!
1,
Bye! Some
Two.
everyone, bruh.
3.
I'm not going trade
Why?
with everyone.
Tinahagis mo ko talaga.
Have me this one.
Did you have that one?
Yes.
Where are you? You have the armor na. Love. Shoes. Helmet. You don't have any helmet.
Halagi.
Hayate.
What's this?
Fish?
Okay, I might
Oh,
die
wait lang.
here.
Bibigyan ko. Brighty, dito ka kay daddy. Lapit ka kay daddy.
Compass.
No!
Wait, touch me. Ah.
Come here.
Help.
Brighty.
Lagi, please.
Got
Anong gusto mo, anak?
3 gold blocks.
Wait.
Anak, nakuha mo yung ano ko.
Lagi. Lagi.
Amin na. Nakuha ko. Ay, thank you, love.
Lagi.
Oh.
Yellow. Me. Yellow.
Ano yellow?
Oh, I can make a fireplace now.
Lagi.
Finally.
Yellow, bubuk.
Wow, you have ano? Golden sword.
Bubuk! Yellow!
Golden sword?
Ayan, yan
Hindi
nakakuha si
maganda
ate.
masyado.
Ha?
Hindi masyado maganda.
Bakit naman?
Huh? Dad, I made! I think I'm gonna make
Did you get
bars.
Brighty? Did you, ate? Bigyan mo kay Brighty.
1, 2.
Yan. Sige pa, helmet.
Oh, actually, I have a lodestone, Dad.
Ha?
1.
Block of gold. Anong pwedeng gawin dito?
Gawin mo papunta normal gold. Chains. I need chains.
Ganyan? Hindi mo nagbaburn ha?
Hindi mo binaburn sa inventory mo.
Oh.
Wait.
Oh, is that it? Oh.
Lagi.
Ayun, bars.
Tag.
Ang dami na tayong gold. Ayun.
Dad, look, I have a fireplace na.
Wait. Bob. Bob. Happiest? Wait.
Ayan mo siya. Wait lang, love. Wait lang. Tuturuan ka namin. Hey. You wear... Ay, wala anak. Hindi nakuha ni Brighty. She has too much Wait lang, bawasan.
Wow,
Ang
kanino
dami-
nga?
Kay Brighty yan.
Hey, Brighty.
Wait lang, kukunin ko yan. Kay Brighty yan. Ako hindi kinuha ko, ni daddy kinuha ko.
Ate, meron ako bibigay sa'yo, ha? Wait lang. Meron ako lalagay sa
Brighty,
chest.
okay lang ba? Bigyan kita ng ano? Okay. Finish ka pa dyan?
Yes. May iron bars ako.
Mas maganda pa yung kuya, gold. Yung gold sword. Gold sword.
Pwede din naman.
Maganda ba yung gold sword? Hindi.
Pwede mo din naman gamitin yan. Kung gusto mo.
Wait.
Naggawa si Brighty ng dirt house.
Ha.
I'm just gonna get some redstone, please. And just 64 iron. Wait, I'm just gonna make... Becca!
Sa... Wait!
Oh, well, that's fine. I think you should pay a little. What did you suppose our business? Whoa, that is one grouchy granny.
At that time, Nana.
At that time, the next
Lagi?
take block along Hey, you, get off that. No,
Happened to this one?
I'm buying it.
Who's wearing this our house? Ay
Besides, there's 300.
I'm
Lagi.
gonna give you one compass, Dad.
Lagi.
Thank you.
Lagi. Ik.
Good. And
Ate!
Asan yung wood?
oh, it's like that, is it?
Oh, look, Rob, I think you want to talk to that man.
Get your hands off me.
What are you doing?
Dad, Dad, I'm gonna give you something.
Oo.
Here. Dad.
Mine.
May kinuha ni ate.
Bibigyan ko lang si Daddy.
To lay off the biscuits.
What? You said all
Ay!
good.
Ito ate
Ay, dalawa?
siya.
Oh,
Yan.
neighbours. Now, you live
Nagpa-point sa bahay ko yon. Wala akong mahanap na load. Doing my house.
Kuya, you have fire, kuya.
Yes, that's my fireplace. Brighty, come. Here's your house. Wow, Brighty, look. Brighty, look. You have some babies. Wow.
Patingin, ako si Brighty.
Ang wait.
Itong nasira.
Ba't nasira yung house mo, Brighty?
Dad, can you make Brighty's house?
I'm paying 1100.
All dirt.
Why not? 'Cause it's ugly. Like
Oh no!
Let's see how this plays out.
And another
Happy?
thing, I don't like the
Lagi head.
Hindi, anak, guys. Tatanggal ko lang yung dirt.
You paint it.
Ta?
Oh, yeah. Goodness.
Lagi tenong.
Thank you, love.
1100.
This one. This one dated me. This one pink. I found coal by just strip mining.
Goodness.
Street mining.
Yeah.
Oh, you did all right.
Help me pink, Daddy. Papa?
We'll be going on that holiday now, Doreen.
Yeah. I'm going to do some push-ups.
Ano yung gagawin natin, kuya?
Well, it's a club.
Nothing. Look around.
We need to trade.
Anything you want.
Really?
Yep. You are one in a million.
Can I have this?
Are you sure? Just a tea towel?
Oh, what kind? Da, 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 da. Oh, Doreen.
Ha?
May I help you?
Bubo?
Help me pink one.
Ah!
I've got one of those exercise shoes if you want.
Wait! Wait!
Which one?
Ta?
No. What do you think? $20? Fit.
Huh? What's that?
That's my girl.
Wait! Wait! Ta? Lagi?
Sino kumuha ng gold? Ang daming gold nun, ah.
Ha?
I don't know.
Me!
Oh,
Kailan lagi?
thank you, love.
Lagi happy? Kiss. Mwah.
Okay, I don't have any time to make my house. The second floor of my house, but I do have fireplace and I'm gonna make an infinite gold gate.
Lagi!
What? Here.
Sak! Sak! Sak!
Oh,
Wait! Look!
Where's
Look!
Brighty?
Lagi! Sak! Wait!
make me a house.
Are you gonna make
Lagi!
some house? Okay.
Sak!
One. Here's your house.
Wait!
We'll go to the nether, bruh.
No! No! No!
Hey, Squirt.
Ada ba sarado yung TV?
How did you know when to
Make sure you take all the swimming stuff.
Yeah, we got it covered.
Don't just get the fun
Sino mamalo? Ikaw?
stuff.
Boring.
Yeah. Boring.
Hi, Lagi.
Oh, you can fly, anak.
Ah.
Up, up.
Wait!
Another ghost?
Always there's a bus.
Hindi yung ghost.
She does.
Is it gas so scary?
Dad, dala ka kahit ng 36 gold. Ako dinala ko yung gold mo, ah.
Tapos?
Bibigay ko sa'yo. Tapos mag-trade ka dapat.
Naku! Gamitin mo na. Sige, nasa'yo na yan.
Bakit? Ba't gagamitin ko?
Ha? Hindi. You can do more about this one. Rather than me doing it.
Mag-drop ka lang ng gold papunta sa mga...
Okay.
Ano to?
Brighty, do you want to go to Daddy?
What did I get? Nether quartz.
Maganda yan! Magawa ka tayo ng observer sa Minecraft.
What do you mean observer?
Did you bring it? No. Then no.
Dad, did we bring sunscreen?
Oh, no.
It's okay, we don't need sunscreen.
Yes, we do.
Fossil!
The shady bit. And
Oh, nah. Ah! I'm still killing this guy. Oh! Drop something. Why did it drop gunpowder?
I didn't bring it.
So many skeletons, bro! I just
Right?
need to get the ancient wither, bro. Give me an ancient wither. Would anybody give me an ancient?
Definitely could.
Come on. Ha.
Well, I mean, no way.
Rick! Ah!
Kill them?
Yes!
Just drop XP points, bruh.
Sorry.
Rick! Rick!
You
Yeah!
put the sunscreen on.
I think we found a bastion, but
Let's just...
why is there another money? Let me down, mine. Dad, help me. Unabandoned. 2 lodestones. 2 fire charges. Gold. Gold axe.
Okay, well, we'll just have to play above the water games, kid.
But I want to go down and get the thingies.
Did you bring the sinkies?
No.
Well,
I need this more than, I don't know,
Rick! Lucky!
Hmm.
Search! Search!
fire.
Search!
When mo?
Long so
bigger,
up.
sure. I meant smaller.
Oh yeah.
Wow, you have a bigger house. Yes.
Oh, tough crowd. Oh, yeah, cool.
Gold nugget. Ano ibig sabihin ko yan?
Ilang gold nuggets meron
30
ka?
plus. Ayan.
Okay, good. Big gold.
What's the purpose of this one? Yung may color. Uy, dami. Gas. Oh no, sabi na gas. Ah!
Teleport muna kasi ah. Hi, I'm back home.
Nether shard.
I put some more lodestones.
Yeah.
I'm hungry, Dad.
You're hungry?
Gold block. Oh, not this one. This is not valuable. Ay! Lalagay ko yung emeralds ko dyan, ah. At yung fire charge. Ay, baka maganda yung fire charge.
Lucky!
Hindi ko nga alam.
Look! Look!
Oh,
Dad, lagay ko din dyan yung diamonds ko. Lalagay ko din dyan yung diamonds.
may ano doon? Oh, laban tayo po tayo ulit doon. Sige lang, kuya. Put there.
Ba't may beetroot ka? At lalagay ko din yung lapis lazuli ko.
Rick! Rick!
Wow, you have a nice house. Ba't tayo nagkaroon ng ganito? Ginagawa ni Brighty. Paano nagagawa ni Brighty yan?
Dapat may shears ka. Which I had. Dati ko, may protection 3 chest plate ako na gold.
Ha?
May protection 3 na chest plate ako ng gold.
Oh no!
Oo, time out. Eh, patsaan mo kay ma'am.
Mom! Mom!
No, 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 no. Finally, I found one. Yes! Yes! Bro, why did I say that?
Ha?
Yes! Sinabi ko. Yes!
Netherrack. Ano gamit ng netherrack? Wala lang.
You can light fire infinitely.
Paano i-quart ko?
I'm gonna get soul.
Ha?
Ha?
Anong gagawin doon?
Lalagay mo.
Sa...
Wala
Wala akong sword ah.
Punta ka sa akin. Wait lang.
Okay.
Okay, pwede ka naman pumunta sa akin. I'm just gonna get this glowstone.
Oh, there's a monster there.
Oh, the
No, I'm
bastion that
saving
you
you,
just
no, no.
looted. About to include
yes.
every part of it.
Dito pa lang sa
Bruh.
to.
Please, there's no
I'm scared.
brutes, bruh. Please, there's no brutes.
I'll save you.
Please, there's no brutes.
I'll
I think
save
I'm gonna be
you.
bartering with them.
Oh no.
Daddy, up.
Yeah.
Dad, down here.
Yeah, there. I saved you.
One minute, house.
You have to bigger house.
Ah,
Ayun, there you have a big, good ano na oh.
No.
Yan oh.
okay. Please don't drop it in the...
Na bigger.
You might die if you drop
Hi,
it.
Hagi.
Ay wait lang. I'll help you, okay?
Ah! Jinx!
Here, you have to
Said,
move here.
ah!
Yeah, there. You move here.
The fire! I need a mod, bruh! A mod right there.
Ano?
A mod. Oh, fungus.
Meg!
What's that?
Man.
Getting quartz, actually. I'm getting quartz.
Quartz.
Oh, we can better.
Oh no!
Bye.
Okay, kuha mo. Patingin mo sa
Bye-bye.
Wow.
Ito
Okay,
talaga.
let me barter.
Where are you?
And...
Amia.
Okay.
Daddy.
Yan now.
Hey, Daddy.
How did it take so long?
That's
Why?
one. Wait, this one thing.
Who made this ano? Tall, kuya, who made this tall ano?
Oh,
Stones. Who made this tall stones?
nobody.
Oh, paano nagkaroon ng ganun yan?
Where's mine?
Ah,
Where's mine?
Is that a stairs?
dahil sa lava.
No. Bakit may tubig ba?
You can't put water in the nether, you know?
Kaya nga.
Okay, why do I have so much? I made glowstone. I actually need it, bruh.
Kuya, oh, look. What's this one?
Oh, I already looted that place. Diba? Wala na.
Ay, kinuha ko yung nuggets eh.
Ay, okay. Ay, eto magma.
Kukunin ko yan? Hindi.
Okay,
Bawal.
pwede kung gusto mo.
Tapos, ano yan? Purpose niyan?
You can make elevators if you want. Don't like these arrows, bruh. Ah! We'll be killed by a zombie. Wait!
Oh. Ano yun?
Witch!
Wala akong ano dyan, anak. Hindi ko kaya yung witch na yan.
Witch? Ang galing. Kaya mo yan eh.
Daddy.
No!
Kaya mo yan.
No!
Oo. Wait a minute, I might get
Daming
lost.
gold dito ah.
Oh, we can get magma cubes. Ah! Why am I in the basalt ba? Dad, mag-mining tayo para... Oh, look!
Why?
Daddy, help me.
Why?
Down here.
When it was a... Bruh. Oh, brother.
Dad, down.
We're flying. Wait lang, we're flying.
Ah.
Here, Daddy.
Love.
Down, Mom.
Where are you, Dad? Ayun, sa bastion ako. Bumalik ako sa bastion.
Dad,
Trying to loot the
down
bastion.
here. Dad, down. I'm dead.
Ano
Why?
I'm scared?
Don't be scared. Nandito sila daddy tsaka si kuya.
I'm dead. Help. I'm dead, Daddy. I'm dead. Fly.
Stop.
Go back. I have a diamond sword. Why does nobody... Are they scared, bruh? How can piglins be scared with a diamond sword? No, I'm not going there. I need a fossil that has the happy gas. I want the happy gas.
How to get the happy gas?
Ah! Ah, gunpowder. Yes! Ah! Oh. Oh. That one's making house.
Is this a ano?
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh no, no, no.
What's happening with me? There's somebody. Oh, what's happening?
Sa loob na ako. Sir! Oh no! Sir! No!
There's a gas.
Wait lang, balik ako dyan.
Why?
That was intentional, right?
Yes! Stop!
Oh, babalik ko. Ate, bibigay ko sa'yo, ah. Meron ako bibigay sa'yo. Oh, lagay mo doon.
Ay, si Kuya! Nandiyan sila, Kuya!
Asa?
Brighty,
Ay,
help, Kuya!
Ito.
Help Brighty, Kuya!
Hi! Here! It's bigger, see? You want some toys?
Bigger house daw.
I'm gonna give you toys. Ate! And here's your other toy. Ate! Ay, walang nakakuha. Okay. You want to go to Daddy? I'm definitely going. I am back. Lumipad ka na lang, ate. Ba't hindi ka lumipad? Why am I using a stone pickaxe? Ah! What even? What?
There's so many things here, Kuya.
Saan to ba?
Ano to? Mga houses, ano to?
Wood!
Wood yan?
Yep, that's wood. Floating gravel. If I just break this, it will fall. Yep.
Oh no!
Who's just swimming
hard,
in
right?
lava? Who tries to swim in lava, bruh?
I'll take the couches to the dump too.
Oh, sounds like a big job. We need a full night's sleep for that.
Yeah, I will. Night. Hey, wait, no.
Come on, I'll read you a story.
You know she can't help it.
I know.
We never use the slash game mode.
Wait, is it a bad idea?
Oh,
Are you grumpy with me?
No.
I'm not using this, bruh.
Once upon a time, there was a village.
Are you okay? Lab lab?
No,
Okay.
I just want you to go to sleep. And in the
Up
village,
there. Unicorn. Want me up there.
this episode of
One
Lily,
Mickey
unfortunately,
House.
is called Unicorns.
Oh, magma cubes!
Well, it's a story.
Why did I...
Here, read this. It's got a unicorn in it.
I'm not reading.
Kill me, magma cubes!
Read it.
But you can't. Got...
Second grade.
Unicorns? Who is finding it very hard to get to sleep? So I actually tried to calm us down a bit.
Well, it's gonna be hard with Mary.
Oh no, no! Gotta fly, gotta fly!
What do I do?
Oh no.
Jog on.
Oh, gas
Wala
dear.
naman. Kakain na ba?
Billy, yeah, that's what I said.
Oh no. Gas dear.
The most annoying unicorn in the world.
Guilty.
No, gas dear.
What happened?
What just happened?
Fine.
Barely description. Oh yes.
In the village, everyone walks
Need 8.
Unicorn. I can't see the page.
Why should I get?
If you block the word, sometimes read the story.
question again.
This story's nice.
My
That story's nice.
got a unicorn in it. This one has T-Rex.
Oh! Lasers!
Saan, saan, saan?
Oh, napatay na ako eh. Layo na. Bakit? Ano ba yan?
Do you remember?
Na,
Kung saan yun?
I might. Then I'll tell you where.
Saan, Dad? Saan? Dito?
Malayo eh. Hi, where are you, love?
Ah,
Why? Ano ba? Bakit?
doon tayo makakuha ng blaze rods. Ay, no.
Wait na love ha. Mag-move lang ako ng ano.
Ah,
Hi. Yeah,
probably
found
just
it?
died.
Shall we continue? So the queen walks in.
Oh, yeah.
Ito.
It's gonna die.
Yep, you're ano na? Halika, tuturuan kita, love.
Can you punch me, Brighty? Punch me. Punch. Punch more. One more. Punch me. Punch me, Dad.
Bakit may sword ka ng diamond? Hindi mo ko binibigyan. Hindi, joke lang.
Eh, bakit ka ng diamond?
Hindi, tinago ko eh.
Dad, come. Come to the top. Ay, naku. Ay, wait lang. Can you just craft? Can you just craft something?
Love,
Kuha ka ng redstone at... Ha? Ay, babalik na ako sa'yo. Babalik ako.
why is there burning on our house?
You have done that, Chef.
Me.
Thank you. The queen's
I'm not Canna.
That's it. I'm out.
Catch you on the flip side, Willie.
I'm done with this.
Ow! Right there! Right there! Look back
Daddy,
at me.
what did they do? I'm here. Teleport.
Good on you for trying.
Creeper!
How did he? How did he?
Cover that.
You are a lovely engine for 490 now from a high tech.
Dad! Hi, Daddy.
Hi, love.
I'm here. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rush!
How can a creeper get inside our house?
I don't know.
Me.
Serious matter.
Don't touch me, guys. How did a creeper get in your house? Make a new house. No, that's me, guys. No, that's me.
Yeah, watch it, mate. I'll have to get a little pokey.
No,
Okay,
that's
I'll
me.
Wait.
Dad, can I put the iron inside my chest?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. Daddy, ah!
Wait. I'll fix first the ano.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, love. Ay, sorry, love.
No, Daddy.
I'm fixing things. Sorry, love. Sorry, love. I didn't know.
No,
Is this
Dad.
something na ano?
No, Dad.
Oh.
No, Daddy.
Hmm?
Very good protection.
No, that's me. Sorry, love.
Me. Daddy, happy?
Come, Dad.
Wait.
Balik na tayo, Dad.
Ay, wait lang. I'm making the house pa eh. Inayos ko yung house natin sila. Nasira.
Okay, we actually need to go back.
Yeah, wait lang.
Yun yung one step para makapunta na tayo sa ano? Dad, paano yung way? Paano yung way doon? Papunta dito? Ito yung way?
Up. Then, sa ka-up ka. Tapos dun.
Dito?
Yeah.
Tapos?
Left.
Left.
Side. Ano ba yun?
Bastion.
Basta.
Daddy Fortress.
Why?
Emma!
Wow! What's that? Ah, the scary thing. Diyan banda yun.
Punch! Daddy punch! Daddy punch!
Punch
Look at
them?
this, look at this. But, diba?
Ah, using your ano.
Kahit ano naman. Music disc! I'm here!
Eh,
Daddy!
paano naging blocks to, kuya?
Named by Enderman.
Crafting table.
Crafting table.
It can't be cut in here. Or can it?
Wait!
Dad, saan siya?
No! No!
Ayun!
Sisi mo?
Ha?
Ow! Ah! Kung kailan nandun na ako.
Hard. Yes? Monsters? Where are you? Where are you? Wait, I'll find you. Monsters?
Yes! Look! Daddy,
That's smoke.
Ayaw!
That's smoke. Hello, monsters. That one?
Yes.
That's just a squid.
Spiders.
Wala monsters.
Look, Daddy.
Tagi?
If you wanna support our
Happy?
channel, please subscribe.